How to install Roblox on PS4. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can install Roblox on your PS4. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to install Roblox on PS4, you might have or might not have been aware that Roblox is now officially available on your PlayStation Store, on your PS4 and both your PS5 consoles. And in order to download it, you would have to just go to your PlayStation Store over here. And once you head over to your PlayStation Store, at the very top you will be able to see the search bar. Make sure to just click the search bar over there and then just type in Roblox there. When you type in Roblox, on the right hand side you will be able to see a list of games that are available, and Roblox is absolutely free, by the way, so you don't have to pay to download the game. So now when you just click the download option, you will be able to download and then install the Roblox application and begin playing this game. This way you will be able to install Roblox on PS4. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.